Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make cloud eggs, or something I like to call fluffy or floofy eggs. So this recipe was not technically hard to make, but boy, was there a lot of whisking involved. You only really need one egg, nothing else. So first you're going to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. We'll still be using the egg yolk near the end, so keep it somewhere safe. If you have a hand mixer or an electric mixer or a whisk, feel free to use those instead. I, for some reason, thought I wanted to try whisking with a fork. And now pretty much hell starts. So you're going to be whisking for an awful long time if you're using a fork. Pretty much you're going to be whisking the egg white until you reach a fluffy solid state. If your goal is to break a sweat, then this definitely is for you. I also had to take out all the agonizing sounds I was making, just so you know it's not that bad, but it was bad. Yes, some more agonizing whisking, as you can see here. Like, everything starts to shake because you get so frustrated, but that's okay, because you know you're going to come out with a really good looking product at the end. Alright. You can take a pan and line it with parchment paper or wax paper, just for easier cleanup. You will be sticking the egg in the oven. Try and make a well in the middle. Then pour the egg yolk from before into the well. The oven should be preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you'll be putting the egg in for 8 minutes. Ta-da! So, was it worth the labor? I mean, it looks really good. It looks fluffy, it looks soft. The edges are nice and browned. You know, honestly, I wouldn't mind doing it again. But I would use a whisk next time, because I was whisking with a fork for about like 20 minutes, I would say. I added some pepper and green onion as a seasoning. See how fluffy that egg white is? It's like a cloud. Let's see how it tastes. It tastes like an egg. Sorry guys, that's the truth. It really is just an egg. I think it would taste different with different seasonings, so you can try ketchup. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more similar content.